Math problems written out into sentences can be hard and confusing. Students often don't know where to start or how to go about solving these problems. Today we will learn about how to start these problems and how symbols can help us solve them. Ask yourself, what is this problem asking? What are the numbers in this problem? Is the problem asking me to take away or to add to? Let's look at a word problem and work through it together. Katie is going to the park. She's already walked 3 blocks away from her house and knows the park is 8 blocks away. How many more blocks does she have to walk to get to the park? Let's think of this problem with counters. I have coins to help me count. You can use whatever you have available. Each coin is going to represent 1 block in this problem. So if I have 4 coins, then I'm talking about 4 city blocks. Problem. We know that Katie has already walked 3 city blocks away from her house. 1, 2, 3. We also know that the park is 8 blocks away, so we're going to add 8 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's compare the amount of coins we have. We can compare this amount of coins to see how many more blocks Katie has to walk, or how many more coins we need to add to the 3. We're looking for this right here. As we look at these coins, some of you may notice how many more coins are needed. Let's fill in the gap and see how many more blocks Katie needs to walk to get to the park. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wanted to know how many more blocks Katie needed to walk to get to the park, and we found out that Katie needs to walk 5 more blocks, or this amount of coins, to get to the park. Now let's focus on what we did in this problem and review. First, we asked ourselves what the problem was asking. The problem wanted to know how many more blocks Katie needed to walk to get to the park. Second, we found the numbers in the problem. We knew that Katie had already walked 3 blocks and that the park was 8 blocks away from her house. Finally, we determined if the problem was asking us to add or to take away. Our problem was specifically asking us to add. As you focus on those 3 keys to solving word problems, you can solve these as well on your own.